Alright, thank you for tuning in. Welcome back to the channel. Well, it's December, and that means my first full season of kayak fishing tournaments has come to a close. I couldn't be happier with the results. And if you've been thinking about fishing kayak tournaments and you want to add another layer of excitement to your time on the water, I highly recommend you look into your local club and get out there and fish a kayak tournament. Huge shout out to the AZ Kayak Anglers, my club here in Arizona. You guys have just been like new family to me. This also brings to close the first year of me doing my YouTube channel. It's been unexpectedly amazing. I've gotten a lot of people subscribing, supporting, liking my videos, and leaving comments. I don't even know what to say. I'm flattered, to be honest. Well, this video is just going to be comprised of all my favorite catches from the year, like a holiday mashup. To everyone that's been watching and supporting my channel, I thank you very much and appreciate it. And I hope you have a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and I'll see you in the water in 2023.
God. Fuck yeah.
Another cull fish, 13.5. Lord. Yes.
See that? Oh God, yeah.
Fish. Bass.
Oh yeah.
Good one.
Hell yeah. Yes, sir.
Saguaro pig right here, baby.
Yes. This guy. That belly there. This is what I'm looking for in saguaro right here.
Little fat chunk here. Saguaro.
Little fatty, huh, Cora?
Cull right here.
Clear water, watch him go. Oh my God, yeah. Yes! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yes! You see that? Look at that. Oh my God, there's a fucking fish on here. Wow, it's a fucking black bass. Black. Decent one right here. Look at that. god, yes. A call fish. Oh my god. Fuck, look at that. Fucking spot. That, dude. Fuck, yes. Oh, fish. It's like the seventh fish. Buddy, nice hook. Oh no! Oh. Oh my gosh, big one. Heck yeah. Yes! Holy crap, right as it hit the water. This is a little bass, I think. Right. Finally found me a clear lake giant. Well, he's not a giant. He's fat and heavy. Over 2.5, that's for sure. It's blowing out here now. Heck yeah. Yes, sir. Thank you. Yeah. I love things, bud. Oh, there we go. Whoa! Spinnerbait, yep. Yes! Woo! Let's go! Fuck yeah, guys. Yes! Thank you, God. Yes! Fucking not a limit. Thank you, sir. Back into Kentucky Lake. Go. I could see why this is like a prime bass fishing lake. I give it an A+, no way. Oh my God. Yes! Fish. Fast. I read one time. Oh my God, fuck, please get in here. Woo, yes, woo. Hey, no. Fuck yes, Lord. Woo, yes, ha, fucking did that shit.